Woman by Chengeto Mayowe from her collection Souls of Forgotten Queens. The next time you wish to insult, undermine, or bring down us strong women, understand that we are not possessions for you to own. Instead, we give and bloom where we are loved. Understand we are whole and not a half version of anyone you may try to put us up against. Understand our bodies go through transformations that have taken some of us and spared the rest. Understand the power it takes to maintain life, birth it, and if need be, protect it. Understand that in all the revolutions that have taken place, we have stood at the front, unwavering, unshaken, determined. You must realize that we have the power to create life, nurture it, die for it. We fear many things and at the same time fear nothing. And if you're a woman, understand the time has come to awaken what has been lying dormant in you. You are the beast that even the king of the jungle fears. Own it.